Hey friends, my name is Miss Allison. I'm here with SnapEd, and I cannot wait to be here with you all on the big screen for another lesson, another Pick a Better Snack lesson. So that means we're going to be talking about fruits and vegetables and maybe even trying a fruit or vegetable today. So let's get on into it. We will start off class with a guessing game to see if you can guess what we're trying. Then I have some fun pictures to show you of the fruit or vegetable we're trying today. I'll talk about my plate, and then we'll finish off class today with the health benefits that this fruit or vegetable can provide for our bodies. On with the guessing game. When you think you know what we're trying, just quietly think of it in your head. Don't say it out loud. You don't want to give away what you're thinking, and you're going to see if you're right. All right, the first hint is today we are trying a fruit. This fruit does grow here in Maine, so maybe you've seen it before. This fruit grows on a tree. And this fruit can either be green or yellow, sometimes even brown or red. What do you think it is? Today we are talking all about pears. Yum! If you've ever tried a pear before, can you raise your hand? Awesome. Yeah, pears are delicious. I love having them as a snack. Here is the first picture I have of a pear. This is of a typical green pear. Maybe you're most familiar with this type of pear. Maybe you have it as a snack at school or at home, but you might be able to tell with this pear that's cut in half, the pear has seeds on the inside. Well, that's because all fruits have seeds on the inside. There aren't just green pears. There are other kinds of pears that you can find that come in different colors. Here are a few here. As you can see, pears can be red or yellow or even brown. So fun. I think my favorite pear is a red pear. They're just delicious. As I said earlier, pears grow on a tree, and this is what a pear looks like growing on a tree. They are so easy to pick. You just have to reach up, twist, and pull it down. That's all you have to do to pick off a pear. Kind of like an apple. This last picture here is showing the fun things you can do with pears. You don't just have to eat them in slices or kind of like an apple. You can actually peel the pear, kind of not even cut it too much because it's already in this bell shape that kind of looks like a puppy's face. All you have to do is put 2 blueberries as an eye, a red grape as a nose, and a little bit of a banana as the ears. So cute and so fun. Now we're going to talk all about my plate. My plate has 5 food groups. We have our fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. And we want to try to eat from all 5 food groups every day because each and every one is so important for our bodies. Who knows where a pear goes on my plate? Just think about it for a second and let's see if you're right. If you were thinking that a pear is a fruit, then you would be correct. Good job. The last thing I want to talk with you all about are the 2 health benefits that you can find in a pear that makes it so good for our bodies. The first thing I want to talk about is vitamin C. Can you make a shield for me? Great. That's because vitamin C acts like a shield in our bodies. It fights away germs to keep our bodies healthy and feeling good. And the second health benefit I want to talk about is something called fiber. Can you rub your belly for me? Great. That's because fiber helps to keep us full, and fiber helps us go to the bathroom. It's a thing. You can think of fiber like a mini broom inside of your body. It sweeps away all the bad stuff, cleaning you out so you feel good, you can use the bathroom, and you don't get tummy aches. So fiber is really important. And the part of the pear with the most fiber the skin. So it's important not to peel the skin of the pear if you can, because that's where all the fiber is. That's all I have for you today about pears. I hope you learned a thing or two about pears and that you try to have a pear later on this week. They are so delicious. So now it is time to move our bodies and do our physical activity. So stand on up on your feet while your teacher gets the next video up, and we're gonna have some fun. See you next time.